Yo yo yo! In this short video I will show you how to install a phone holder on your motorcycle. It can be a Yamaha R3 or a Yamaha R1 in that case, so it doesn't matter. But my advice when installing these phone holders is get one with a vibration dampener. Why? Because your camera or your screen can break while riding. Because when riding you get a lot of vibration. So that's an important feature to get with a phone holder. In this case you have two options when buying a phone holder. One that goes in the fork stem, which we are gonna demonstrate in this video. And the other option is a phone holder that you can place or install in your handlebar. The option handlebar is better for the naked bikes, which include Yamaha MT-07, MT-03, bikes like that, because the handlebar you see on the naked bikes, which you don't see on the sport bikes. On the sport bikes you don't have a lot of handlebar place, so that's why installing it in the fork stem is a lot better choice than installing it on the handlebar. Now we're gonna begin with the installation process of the phone holder. All these mods I'm gonna do in the near future, so stay tuned for that. Our first step of the installation process is to get off the plastic piece that's on the fork stem. Do that with a flathead screwdriver for your own ease. The second step is to put the screw mount in, stem mount, sorry. And the things you see here are the spacers. So the more you tighten the bolt on the mount, the more the spacers go to the outside. So that way the mount will stay in its place. And if you can, as you can see here, I'm tightening the bolt and the spacers are going to the outside. So tighten it and don't over tighten it because it has rubber rings on the spacers, so watch out for that. And if the bike moves when you move the mount, I think you did it correctly. So now get the phone holder. This is the phone holder I'm using. And as I said at the beginning, buy a phone holder with vibration dampeners. The four rubber things you see on the back of these are the vibration dampeners. So those catch the vibrations when you're riding, and so your screen and your camera stays undamaged. That's the whole purpose of these vibration dampeners. So step 3 is to install the ballsack swivel on the fork mount balls. It does look like a ballsack, so you can position the phone holder as you like, as you can see. And now you're going to install the phone holder on the ballsack swivel. So the one side goes on the mount and the other side goes on the phone holder. And the last step is to position the phone holder as you like. And to close it off, you need to tighten this phone holder or the ballsack swivel. Turn it all the way to the right, tighten it and check it if it's steady. As you can see, the bike moves, so I think it is steady now and it's installed correctly. So enjoy your phone holder and don't forget to subscribe and like, and stay tuned for the future mods I'm gonna do on this Ninja 400. Ciao!